Open floor plan is the biggest design trend right now, and this home will show you exactly why. This modern layout creates a seamless connection between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, perfect for entertaining, family time, or just enjoying the flow of natural light. Whether you're cooking, dining, or simply unwinding, this open design lets you stay connected to what matters most. Homes like this set the standard for modern living. If you would like to make this home yours, contact me today.